ಅಕ್ರಮ ಗಣಿಗಾರಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಕೆಆರ್ಎಸ್ ಅಣೆಕಟ್ಟೆಗೆ ಅಪಾಯವಾಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಅಕ್ರಮ ಗಣಿಗಾರಿಕೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಅಣೆಕಟ್ಟೆಯ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೆಂದು ದೆಹಲಿಯ ಸಂಸತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಡ್ಯ ಸಂಸದೆ ಸುಮಲತಾ ಅಂಬರೀಶ್ ಒತ್ತಾಯಿಸಿದರು.
ದೆಹಲಿಯ ಸಂಸತ್ ಕಲಾಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಮಂಡ್ಯ ಸಂಸದೆ ಸುಮಲತಾ ಅಂಬರೀಶ್, ಅಕ್ರಮ ಗಣಿಗಾರಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಕೆಆರ್ಎಸ್ ಅಣೆಕಟ್ಟೆಗೆ ಅಪಾಯವಾಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಅಕ್ರಮ ಗಣಿಗಾರಿಕೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಅಣೆಕಟ್ಟೆಯ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೆಂದು ಆಗ್ರಹಿಸಿದರು.
Considering the fact that a lot of dams in our country are over 100 years old, I consider and welcome this very important bill, as most of our structures are definitely man-made and highly susceptible to various factors like natural calamities amongst others. Sir, I am coming to understand that the time given to speak for independent MPs is very, very short. So I'll try to come as quickly as possible to the point I want to make. Sir, my state of Karnataka has 236 large dams, out of which 44 are around 100 years old or more. I want to bring the Honorable Minister's notice to a disturbing fact, sir. Krishnaraj Sagar Dam, which falls in my constituency of Mandya, there have been cracks noted and reported in the structure of the dam, sir. Experts feel that this is due to the illegal mining activity and high intensity quarry blasts that happen in the vicinity of the dams. Sir, mining has been banned in the immediate vicinity of a 20-kilometer radius around the dam, but yet continues unabated thanks to a local political, criminal and official nexus, sadly, sir. Sir, I need not spell out the potential disasters that could arise out of such a situation, and I certainly hope and would urge the Honorable Minister through you, sir, to look into this aspect and include this in this most important bill to prevent any potential disasters arising out of this in my region of Mandya, sir. With these words, I conclude and support the bill. Thank you.
Thank you.